Here are the steps for installing reinforcement membranes around a drain or vent. Cut a piece of reinforcement membrane measuring 920 by 920 mm or 36 by 36 inches and lay it on the surface at a 45-degree angle to the base sheet membranes. Trim the reinforcement membrane at the drain or the vent opening. Lift the corner of the reinforcement membrane and weld the membrane in place starting from the center. Repeat this for the other half of the reinforcement membrane. Let bitumen bleed out 3 to 6 mm or 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch around the perimeter of the reinforcement membrane. If there's no bitumen bleed out, use a round-nosed trowel to inspect the weld for leaks and repair if necessary. Seal the membrane by heating the perimeter with a torch and spread the hot bitumen using a trowel. Use a scrap of membrane and heat its bitumen until it becomes liquid enough to be scooped with a trowel. Apply this bitumen in liquid form around the drain or the vent to seal the membrane. This installation is now complete.